The selling function involves determining client needs and wants and responding through planned, personalized communication that influences purchasing decisions and enhances future business opportunities. It actually provides customers with the products they want. It includes selling to retail customers as well as business and governments. Selling may take place on a personal level, face to face, between a customer and a salesperson. In that situation, selling often involves helping customers decide what they want and need, answering questions, and building long-term relationships. The salesperson the salesperson's goal is to make customers happy so they will return and make money for the business. Selling also takes place in a non-personal level, such as through the use of a computer over the phone. Companies use technology as video conferencing or instant messaging to connect with prospective and current customers. Businesses that sell online may need to help customers make decisions, provide useful information, and encourage them to remain customers. The marketing function of selling helps businesses to do that. If all the other marketing functions are effective, selling should be easy, right? Not necessarily. The other functions pave the way for successful selling, but the selling function itself is very important because it involves contact with customers. If customers are not satisfied with the sales experience, they often will not buy even if they need the product and the price is right. Therefore, businesses work to meet customers' needs and sell them the most appropriate product through preparation and a detailed, well-planned selling process. All businesses have something to sell, and everyone benefits from selling. Making a sale is the ultimate goal of all marketing functions. The selling function benefits businesses, customers, and society in general. Effective selling helps businesses to create a desire for their products, get their products into customers' hands, and make a profit. Customers benefit from selling by getting help with their buying decisions, receiving support after the sale, and learning about new products that can positively impact their lives. Selling also benefits society by creating employment, encouraging economic growth, maintaining the private enterprise systems through competition, and raising the standard of living. Businesses that effectively carry out the 7 marketing functions are successful. They are the ones that earn a profit, prosper, and build long-term relationships with satisfied customers. In summary, the 7 marketing functions are market planning, product service management, marketing information management, pricing, channel management, promotion, and selling. The functions must work together to get products from producers to consumers. Each marketing function is important. If any function is not performed well, the other functions will not be as effective. When each function is well planned and effectively completed, the results should be satisfied customers and profitable businesses.